Hi there. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use our awesome remote control lawn mower. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to get started, from charging the battery to mowing your lawn like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, before using the machine, make sure to charge the battery fully. Here's the charging port, so you can plug it in and let it charge up. Next, when you receive the machine, the emergency stop button will be in the closed position due to safety concerns. Simply twist the arrow to start the button. To get started, turn on the power switch on the remote control. Then turn on the power switch on the machine. Let's move this baby around now. Using the remote control, you can go forward, backward, left, and right with ease. It's super simple. This lever controls the speed of the machine. You can switch between high and low speed depending on your mowing needs. Use this lever to set the cruise control. Adjusting the cutting deck height can be done by using this lever right here. It makes it easy to customize your mowing experience. When it's time to start the engine, there are 3 methods to start the gasoline engine. First, use this lever to crank it up. But remember to quickly move it back to the center position. And when you're finished mowing, simply move the lever down to stop the engine. Next method. Use the button on the control panel to start the engine. Press this button to start the engine. Okay, press this button to stop the engine. Third one, pull start. Press this button to stop the engine. Finally, to turn off the machine, switch off the power button on the machine itself, followed by the power switch on the remote control. And that's it. You're now ready to go out there and mow your lawn with ease.